Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good Friday morning. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. We do have a Storm Track 7 yellow alert day for today, tomorrow, and Tuesday of next week. 3 in the next 10 days. It's going to be for the chance for strong to severe storms both today and tomorrow, and then the high heat and humidity for next Tuesday. So a very active stretch here going forward. We have a warm front lifting through today, and it's going to make it up to about the Iowa-Minnesota border by late today and tonight. Along that front, you're going to have the chance for storms to develop. So it's a level 2 out of 5 risk for areas north of Highway 20, especially Highway 18 and north, and then a level 1 out of 5 down to around Highway 20 or Highway 30. But I think most of the action today will stay north of Highway 20. And with storms that pop up this afternoon through tonight, they could contain some damaging wind gusts, a chance for some large hail, and a couple of isolated tornadoes can't be ruled out either. Then come tomorrow, it's a cold front that's going to be approaching from the west. It's an area-wide level 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather. Main threat there will be damaging wind gusts with a secondary threat of large hail. And then the tornado threat should be fairly low with tomorrow's storms. That's not the only concern. Flash flooding could be an issue for our far northern counties where you're north of that warm front. So Chickasaw, Winneshiek, Allen, McKee County covered by that flood watch from 7 a.m. this morning all the way into tomorrow evening. And so we're going to have to watch out for thunderstorms that continue to move over the same areas, giving you that chance for urban ponding, street ponding, flash flooding, whatever you want to call it. You can look at the rainfall amounts through this weekend. Could be talking upwards of 3 inches there in the north, and elsewhere a healthy amount of rain, still a ½ inch to 1.5 inches, but it is going to be pretty wet here going forward, which will have an impact on the rivers. So you can head to kwwl.com and check out the river levels. We are expecting some minor flooding, at least along the Mississippi River, the Cedar River, and parts of the Shell Rock River as of right now. Otherwise, as you go through future track, well, there's that warm front lifting north, maybe a chance for some rain and storms to scrape across our northern counties this morning. There's some ongoing activity off to the west of Mason City, so we'll see if that holds together. Otherwise, we'll expect maybe some more redevelopment starting around noon in our northern counties. Elsewhere, it's going to be partly cloudy and it's going to be hot and humid. But there you see the storm chances continuing through the afternoon and evening, and watch how they remain over that same area for an extended amount of time as you go through even the overnight hours, with even a chance for some strong storms there as well. And so that's going to continue all the way into tomorrow morning as you see the pockets of heavy rain, some moderate rain scattered about there as well. That's kind of the first wave for tomorrow. You'll catch a lull in the activity around the midday hours, and then with that cold front, redevelopment, and that's going to be pretty widespread across the area, starting northwest, moving southeast, anywhere from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. tomorrow, and that's going to come with that chance for some damaging wind gusts. Once that cold front passes, though, it's going to be quite nice for tomorrow night and into Sunday. The humidity is going to be very high today and tomorrow, dropping after the cold front Sunday and then climbing back to some pretty humid conditions by early next week. And then, of course, the heat index will follow that as well. Not quite to yellow alert day or heat advisory criteria today, but still in the mid to upper 90s. It's going to be a little bit lower because temperatures are cooler tomorrow with the rain chances, but the humidity is going to be very high. Sunday, not bad, climbing to near 100 there by Tuesday, hence the next Storm Track 7 yellow alert day. Highs today, low 90s for areas along and south of Highway 20, 80s in the north with more of that storm chance, which will continue through tonight. Lows are in the low to mid 70s, so no real relief from the heat and humidity through the overnight hours. Tomorrow it's going to depend on where you are temperature-wise, anywhere from the mid 80s to the low 90s, but a 90% chance for storms across the entire area. Sunshine on Sunday, humidity is lower, but temperatures are still in the mid 80s. Great to be outside. It's going to get hot again on Monday. Heat and humidity for Tuesday with another chance for storms, and then we should look a little bit nicer there for Wednesday and Thursday.